This video will show you how to prepare and install Clipglaze Secondary Glazing. It's a simple system Tubeway's been making in the UK for over 50 years, using a flexible channel to edge the glazing sheet. Corners are easily mitered and the finished panel is pinned to the window frame using nylon clips, giving heat retention and noise reduction at a modest price. Clipglaze is one of 8 Easyfix DIY secondary glazing products. Full details with videos for each are on tubeway.co.uk and they can all be bought online with cut-to-size polycarbonate sheet at secondarydiyglazing.com. Clipglaze edging comes in a choice of 3 colours: white, brown and clear. Clips are supplied in brown or natural, which is a kind of milky white. The edging is available in 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6mm widths and can be used with glass or plastic. We're using 3mm solid polycarbonate for this demonstration. Clipglaze Secondary Glazing can be purchased as separate components of edging, clips, screws and mitre gauges, or in kit form with either 15m or 5m kits. The kits contain suitable fixings and comprehensive instructions. Decide which part of the frame to fix to. You need at least 20mm of mounting area on all sides of the frame for the overlapping panel and width of the clips. For best insulation results, screw onto the internal frame, although you can fix to an opening window inside or out. Don't forget to draft proof your windows before adding secondary glazing using Easyfix DIY draft excluders, also available from our websites. Measure the height and width of the area to be covered, in this case the glass. And add 20mm to each to get the best glazing sheet size. Add up the edges for the amount of edging strip required. For Clipglaze installation, you'll also need a Stanley knife, ballpoint pen, crosshead screwdriver, scissors and bradawl. Using the pen, mark the side of the edging about 5cm from a square cut end. Lay the channel in the Clipglaze mitre gauge with the pen mark in the centre of the middle V. Holding it firmly in place using the 2 finger recesses, carefully cut down each side of the V, but do not cut through the back of the strip. Having trimmed back the protective film a little, apply the edging to your glazing sheet, fitting the V-cut accurately onto the first corner. When pushing the edging channel onto glass, do not run your finger along the back to fit it quickly. Just work on a few centimetres at a time. Continue along the edge to the next corner, marking with the pen where you need to cut. Cut and repeat for each corner until finishing with 2 square edges meeting together. Position the completed panel against the window with an equal overlap on all sides and the join at the top. Using the bradawl to position the holes, fix 2 clips at the bottom, 5cm from each corner to hold the weight of the panel. Fix 2 more at the top, making sure one covers the join in the edging strip and secure the panel. Then fix the rest of the clips to all sides, spacing equally about 20 to 25 centimetres apart. Your Clipglaze panel can be removed for cleaning or ventilation simply by turning the clips and lifting it out. All Clipglaze details are on tubeway.co.uk, and you can buy the system via our sales team on 01473 251051 or online with cut sheet on secondarydiyglazing.com. Thanks for watching.